Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone is having a great Sunday. I'm here to tell you about something I actually purchased as a Christmas gift for my dad. They're NYPD fleece sweatpants. My dad is very into supporting the police departments and stuff, so I thought that he would like these, and I had read reviews online that they fit really true to size and that they're super comfortable. And yeah, so I very pleased when I opened the package and they came out exactly how they look in the picture, if not better. My dad's usually a large in sweatpants, so I decided that I would get him an extra large because after reading reviews, they all said they run a little bit on the smaller side, or in the wash they can shrink. So I'm like, let me go ahead. And I mean, he's borderline large and extra large in pants. So and he's pretty tall. My dad's 6'3". So I'm going to make sure that I order something a little bit bigger so it doesn't shrink in the wash. So these are navy, but you could have got them in other colors, I believe. But I decided to just do the navy because it's pretty neutral and matches everything, I feel like. Let me see what the maker is of these. Let's see. Police Department, City of New York. By purchasing this item, you are helping support the New York City Police Foundation and the City of New York. For more information about the New York City Police Foundation, please visit nycpolicefoundation.org. And then the back, what does it say? NYC, gotta support. I'm a New Yorker, I gotta support New York and my NYPD, officially licensed NYPD products by nypopular.com in extra large. So let's see what this says. All New York City logos and marks depicted herein are the property of the City of New York and may not be used or reproduced without prior written consent. Copyright 2013, City of New York, all rights reserved. So then this is a little bit more about the product. 50% cotton, 50% polyester, exclusive of decoration machine wash cold separately, tumble dry low, do not bleach, made in Honduras, size extra large, but it came in all sizes. Yeah, I guess this is the polyester part here in the top. So it's expandable with the drawstrings. It's 2 white drawstrings here that are attached inside. Oh, it's attached to one though, but it looks like 2. So you could just pull them to make the pants tighter, which is good. Because I said my dad's really a large, but I got him an extra large. So I'm sure they might be a little bit snug, but this way he has the drawstring and he can tie them a little bit tighter. And then this, I would just tumble dry low just so I don't ruin the decal on it. Wash with colors, and the bottom here is expandable elastic as well, so that's good too. So if they're a little short, it really won't look funny at all. I like the color a lot. And let's take a look at the inside. Inside is very soft, and they're light, but they feel fleece-like inside. So in the winter they're nice and warm, but they're also not too heavy if you want to wear them in the summer. So I guess they're kind of in between, which is nice. And then on the back, let's flip over, it's just plain dark blue. So the decal is only in the front. So I think these are really perfect, just for someone to wear to the gym. So they're really I think they're considered jogger pants, navy fleece pants, jogger, just to wear anywhere, not to wear to work because they're not nice pants, but definitely to wear to the gym, jogging, just everyday errands, wear around the house. And I got them for my dad for Christmas as part of his Christmas gift, and I think they're gonna be perfect for him. He always likes this, comfy fleece type stuff, especially if he's going out, jogging or whatever the case is. And I love the decal. I think it's really nice. Police Department, City of New York, which you'll see on the police officer uniforms. Nice way to represent the city and the police department, and they're very nice and comfy. If they had a girl's version, I would totally wear them because they're nice and soft. You just run your hands on the material and it's soft as can be. So nice. So guys, this was adult NYPD navy fleece pants with leg print in extra large. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you all have a wonderful Sunday and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.